Welcome back to the car. Well, welcome to the car. We're going to do a quick as you can install, no edit style. So, enjoy. Got some new gauges for the roadking because, the other one's leaked. So let's open it up and see what we got. Inside this bag is the gauge and a new clip. Make sure that you take photos of the old one so you know where to plug the new wires into. I'll show you why later. Inside the other big bag, fuel cap. Y'all understand how that works. And the third bag is a trim ring. Pull a little piece of paper off, sticky tape on there, goes on there. This is not perfectly flat, so when you put it on your tank, adjust it till it fits the best and then stab it down. Alright, step one, remove gasket cap. Step number two, stuff a rag in the gasket cap. Alright, babe, if you'll set that on there like that. And just kind of turn it till it looks like it's going to set the best. Like I said, it's got to see how it's standing up on the corner there. See how it's got that little gap, and then it's touching on this side. So just turn it till it feels like it's going to fit the best, Got it? You want me to do it?
Sure. It doesn't look like it's going to fit the best anyway.
Be right back. Alright. Quit saying alright. We found two positions that work the best. Took our pick out of the two. So now we're going to pick it up, peel the backing off of it, stick it down, and this side will be done.
Yep, that was the right way.
Now what y'all think about that? Off with his head. Now left side's a little bit different, but equally just as easy. On the bottom of the tank you got this little deal sticking out, this little pipe, and your shit comes out of this, and on the bottom of the tank you got this little pipe coming out, and that's where your wiring comes out. So we just got to disconnect that real quick. Compare your connectors, make sure they look identical. Notice where the wires are, where they're going to come out. Now if you're going to try to resell this to somebody, take the time to depin it. I am not, so chop chop stab cut. Alright, babe. Pry that thing out of there. Pick it straight up. Come on, get after it.
No.
You got it. You can do it.
I'm not breaking my nails on your bike.
Alright, babe. Get that thing out of there. Off with his head. Alright, so we got our new wires here. Old connector and the new connector. So we're going to go black, skip a hole, yellow, orange. Pretty self-explanatory, right? Yeah, see? Black, open, yellow, orange. Done deal. Gonna turn the key on. Upside down, no problem. Rotate it, get it where you want it, and drop it in. And there you have it. Whole lot cleaner look. Sorry for the chainsaw in the background, you know, neighborhood stuff. Anyway, that's it. Y'all be safe out there. Take care of one another. Want nobody else.